These foods could make a big difference. So grab a pen and get ready to transform your meals into powerful tools for better health. Number 1. Olive oil. Can a single kitchen staple transform how your body manages blood sugar? The answer is yes, and it's probably already sitting in your pantry. Olive oil isn't just a cooking essential, it's a game changer for your health, especially when it comes to blood sugar control. Let's uncover why this liquid gold deserves a starring role in your diet. First things first, what makes olive oil so special? Studies show that it can significantly lower A1C levels, which measure your average blood sugar over months. And there's more. Olive oil helps reduce fasting blood sugar levels for those already managing diabetes. Not diabetic? Regular consumption has been linked to a stunning 16% lower risk of developing the condition. That's the kind of prevention we all need. The secret lies in olive oil's unique composition. Packed with monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants, it fights inflammation and improves insulin sensitivity. This means your body can regulate blood sugar more effectively. Plus, it supports heart health, a crucial factor for anyone keeping an eye on their glucose levels. Adding olive oil to your meals is simple and delicious. Drizzle it over salads, roasted vegetables, or whole grains for a diabetes-friendly boost. Love marinades? Olive oil makes a fantastic base. Just a tablespoon or two daily can make a big difference. No drastic diet changes needed. Want to get the most out of olive oil? Pair it with blood sugar-friendly foods like leafy greens, lentils, or grilled fish. These combos aren't just tasty, they're a nutrient-packed way to amplify olive oil's benefits. And here's a tip. Swap out butter for olive oil when cooking or baking to make your meals even healthier. Olive oil isn't just a pantry staple, it's a health strategy. Whether you're managing diabetes or trying to prevent it, this versatile oil has your back. So why wait? Start adding olive oil to your meals today and take one simple step toward better blood sugar control and a healthier you. Number 2, shrimp. When it comes to managing blood sugar while protecting your heart, shrimp is a nutritional powerhouse. Backed by the American Heart Association, including seafood like shrimp in your meals twice a week can significantly lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Why does this matter? High blood sugar doesn't just zap your energy. It can lead to long-term damage to your blood vessels, increasing the risk of serious cardiovascular issues. So, what makes shrimp such a standout for blood sugar control? It's an excellent source of lean protein, low in calories but high in nutrients. Protein slows the digestion of carbohydrates, which helps prevent sudden blood sugar spikes. This makes shrimp a smart choice for maintaining steady glucose levels while enjoying a delicious and satisfying meal. But that's not all. Shrimp is also packed with antioxidants like astaxanthin, which helps reduce inflammation, a key contributor to insulin resistance. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. Whether you grill, saute, or steam it, shrimp pairs perfectly with fiber-rich vegetables like spinach or asparagus, creating a meal that's as nutritious as it is flavorful. Need inspiration? Try a quick shrimp stir-fry. Toss shrimp with bell peppers, onions, and a hint of garlic for a vibrant, protein-packed dish. Prefer something lighter? A shrimp salad with leafy greens, creamy avocado, and a drizzle of olive oil offers a refreshing, blood sugar-friendly option that's perfect for any time of day. The secret to maximizing shrimp's benefits is balance. Pair it with other blood sugar-lowering foods like whole grains or non-starchy vegetables for meals that nourish your body and stabilize glucose levels. By making shrimp a regular part of your diet, you're not only managing blood sugar, you're laying the foundation for better heart health and overall well-being. 3. Oatmeal. Breakfast is more than just a meal. It's the foundation for your entire day. Choose the wrong food, like processed cereals loaded with hidden sugars, and you could set yourself up for energy crashes and hunger pangs. But swap it for oatmeal? You're fueling your body with a game-changing, blood sugar-friendly powerhouse. Oatmeal, a whole grain wonder, ranks low on the glycemic index. This means it digests slowly, releasing glucose steadily into your bloodstream. An essential benefit for people managing diabetes or anyone aiming for stable blood sugar. Its secret weapon? Soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which improves insulin sensitivity and reduces fasting blood sugar levels. But oatmeal doesn't stop there. Its fiber content supports heart health by lowering cholesterol and boosting your gut microbiome, which also plays a critical role in blood sugar regulation. These combined benefits make oatmeal a must-have for a healthier start to your day. For the best results, opt for steel-cut or old-fashioned oats over instant varieties, which often come packed with added sugars. Prepare your oats with unsweetened almond milk or water, and elevate the flavor with natural toppings like fresh berries, nuts, or cinnamon. These additions not only enhance taste but also provide antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats to further balance blood sugar. Want a savory twist? Top oatmeal with avocado, a poached egg, and a sprinkle of seeds for a nutrient-packed meal that works anytime, not just breakfast. By making oatmeal a regular part of your routine, you're not just improving blood sugar control. You're boosting energy, supporting heart health, and setting the stage for long-term wellness. So, ditch the processed cereals and let oatmeal become your breakfast hero. Number 4. Black beans. Think black beans are just another carb-heavy ingredient? Think again. These little powerhouses are far from a blood sugar villain. Instead, they're your secret weapon for stable energy and balanced blood sugar. With their perfect blend of fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, black beans deliver steady fuel to your body. No spikes, no crashes. Here's the science. Just half a cup of black beans packs over 7 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. This powerful combination slows digestion and moderates the release of glucose into your bloodstream, leading to smoother blood sugar levels. That means you stay full, energized, and in control of cravings. Plus, the fiber in black beans supports gut health, which plays a crucial role in how your body processes and regulates sugar. Black beans aren't just healthy, they're also incredibly versatile and budget-friendly. Sprinkle them on salads for a quick nutrient boost. Mash them into a creamy dip, or let them shine as the star of a hearty, blood sugar-friendly chili. Pair them with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa to create a complete plant-based protein that's perfect for any meal. And if you're feeling adventurous, try blending black beans into a smoothie for a protein-packed twist, or baking them into fiber-rich brownies that satisfy your sweet tooth without sabotaging your blood sugar. The possibilities are endless. To amplify their benefits, pair black beans with other low-glycemic foods like leafy greens, avocado, or lean proteins like grilled chicken. These combinations create meals that are balanced, satisfying, and flavorful, perfect for anyone managing diabetes or simply looking to stay energized throughout the day. So don't overlook black beans in your kitchen. They're more than an affordable pantry staple. They're a nutritional powerhouse that can help you stabilize blood sugar, boost energy, and support overall health. It's time to give black beans the recognition they deserve. If you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more useful health advice. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which food you're going to add to your diet. Stay tuned for more great content. Number 5, nuts. When it comes to managing blood sugar, nuts are the ultimate snack. Tiny, yet mighty. Whether you love almonds, pistachios, walnuts, or pecans, these crunchy treats are packed with vitamins, minerals, and the perfect combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Together, this trifecta stabilizes your blood sugar levels and supports balanced energy throughout the day. Research backs up the benefits. Studies published in OncoTarget and Nutrition and Metabolism reveal that nuts improve blood sugar responses, making them an ideal choice for anyone monitoring their glucose levels. For instance, just 2 ounces of almonds daily can significantly improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. So, nuts aren't just delicious, they're essential for keeping your energy steady and your blood sugar in check. Nuts are incredibly versatile too. A handful can curb hunger while stabilizing your blood sugar. Sprinkle almonds or walnuts over a salad, blend cashews into a savory sauce, or toss pistachios into yogurt for a satisfying snack or meal. You can also pair them with fruits like berries for a low glycemic treat, or mix them with oatmeal and quinoa for a hearty breakfast. To get the most out of your nuts, choose unsalted, raw, or lightly roasted varieties to avoid unnecessary sodium or added oils. Moderation is key, as nuts are calorie-dense. A small serving, about a handful or 2 ounces, is plenty to provide the benefits without overdoing it. So next time hunger strikes, grab a handful of nuts. Not only will you enjoy their satisfying crunch and flavor, but you'll also be supporting your blood sugar and overall health. These nutrient-packed powerhouses are the perfect balance of nutrition and convenience. Proof that the best things truly do come in small packages. Number 6, avocado. Avocados have earned their reputation as a superfood, and it's no surprise why. This creamy, nutrient-dense fruit not only delights your taste buds, but also plays a significant role in regulating blood sugar. Just 1/4 of an avocado packs over 3 grams of fiber and 7 grams of healthy fats, 2 powerful components that work together to keep blood glucose levels stable. The fiber slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those sudden spikes that can leave you feeling sluggish and irritable. Meanwhile, the healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fatty acids, promote heart health and ensure a steady release of energy throughout the day. What makes avocados even more remarkable is their high content of monounsaturated fats. These heart-healthy fats are linked to a lower risk of cardiovascular disease and have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, making them an essential ally for those with diabetes or anyone looking to stabilize their blood sugar levels. Unlike unhealthy trans fats found in processed foods, avocados provide a natural plant-based source of good fat, an ideal choice for both heart and blood sugar health. Incorporating avocado into your daily meals is simple and delicious. Slice it over salads for added creaminess, or mash it onto toast as a healthier alternative to butter or margarine. For a creamy boost in your smoothies, blend avocado to enhance both sweet and savory flavors. You can also add it to your breakfast wrap or stir it into a grain bowl for a dose of healthy fats. A classic way to enjoy avocado is by making guacamole. Pair it with fresh veggies like carrots or cucumbers for a satisfying blood sugar-friendly snack. Guacamole not only provides all the benefits of avocado, but also keeps your blood sugar in check while being a perfect dip. While avocados are incredibly nutritious, portion control is key. Despite their health benefits, they're calorie-dense, so aim for a serving size of 1/4 to half an avocado per meal. By regularly adding avocado to your meals, you're not only enhancing the flavor and texture, but also ensuring your blood sugar remains stable. This versatile fruit supports sustained energy, heart health, and glucose control, all wrapped up in a delicious, creamy package. Number 7, raspberries. When it comes to fruits, many are packed with natural sugars that can cause blood sugar spikes. But raspberries, they're a game changer. These small, vibrant berries are loaded with fiber, 8 grams per cup, more than most fruits, making them a powerful tool for maintaining steady blood sugar levels. This fiber slows sugar absorption into your bloodstream, helping to prevent those dreaded sugar spikes that leave you feeling sluggish. What makes raspberries especially effective in stabilizing blood sugar is their low glycemic index. Unlike high GI foods, raspberries don't trigger a rapid rise in blood glucose. Their fiber not only slows sugar absorption, but also helps regulate insulin levels, which is key for managing diabetes and maintaining energy throughout the day. By incorporating fiber-rich fruits like raspberries into your diet, you're not only supporting healthy digestion, but also promoting balanced blood sugar regulation. But the benefits of raspberries go beyond blood sugar control. They are packed with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which fight inflammation and protect your body's cells from oxidative damage. These antioxidants also offer heart protective benefits, which are crucial for those managing blood sugar. After all, uncontrolled blood sugar can damage blood vessels over time, and antioxidants help counteract this effect. Including raspberries in your diet is both easy and delicious. You can enjoy them fresh, blend them into smoothies, or sprinkle them over yogurt for a fiber-rich breakfast. Toss them into salads for a burst of color and a healthy fiber boost, or bake them into your favorite healthy desserts. You can even make sugar-free raspberry jam to spread on whole grain toast. Raspberries are the perfect option for anyone mindful of their blood sugar, but still craving the natural sweetness of fruit. With their high fiber and antioxidant content, they offer not only a delicious snack but also a powerful health boost. So the next time you're looking for a snack or want to enhance a meal, reach for a handful of raspberries. They'll help keep your blood sugar stable and your energy steady all day long. Number 8. Broccoli. When it comes to managing blood sugar, fiber is one of the most important nutrients to include in your diet. One of the key principles of a blood sugar-friendly diet is consuming enough fiber each day. Fiber works by slowing digestion, which helps ensure that sugar is absorbed gradually, preventing those sharp spikes in blood glucose levels. The American Heart Association recommends that men get between 30 and 38 grams of fiber per day, while women should aim for 21 to 25 grams. Fortunately, there are many fiber-rich foods to choose from, and one standout option is broccoli. Broccoli, along with other non-starchy cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower and asparagus, is packed with fiber, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to regulate blood sugar levels. This high fiber content helps keep blood glucose levels steady by slowing down digestion, ensuring a more gradual rise in blood sugar after meals, and reducing the risk of harmful glucose spikes. Beyond fiber, broccoli is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health, including heart health and digestive function. Plus, it's low in calories, making it an ideal addition to any balanced, blood sugar-friendly meal plan. Whether steamed, roasted, or tossed in salads or stir-fries, broccoli is a versatile vegetable that can easily be included in your diet. By regularly incorporating broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables into your meals, you're not only helping to stabilize your blood sugar, but also promoting long-term health. So next time you're planning your meals, add broccoli to the mix. It's the fiber and nutrient-packed food your body needs to maintain steady blood glucose levels all day long. So there you have it. 8 powerful foods to help regulate your blood sugar and boost your overall health. By adding these blood sugar-friendly options to your meals, you're not just helping your body manage glucose more effectively, but also investing in your long-term well-being. Whether you're enjoying fiber-rich broccoli, heart-healthy avocados, or protein-packed nuts, each of these foods plays a vital role in keeping your blood sugar balanced. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference when it comes to blood sugar control. So why wait? Start making smarter food choices today for a healthier tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and let us know which food you're most excited to try. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more health tips and check out the video in the description for additional ways to take charge of your health. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.